स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to this video. So today we'll talk about the TISSBAT 2021. As I getting lot of calls with respect to the TISSBAT, lot of students ask me about the preparation strategy for the TISSBAT 2021. So for all the aspirants who are targeting the TISSBAT and wanna enter into TISS, then guys, here I come up with the crash course which will definitely boost overall preparations and which can lead you to enter into the TISS. So guys, stay tuned with me throughout this video because we'll talk about the strategies and also the preparation materials you will get. And before that guys, our new YouTube channel launch named as Manoeuvre TISS entrance, which is very specific to the TISS entrance exams such as the Tissnet and TISSBAT. So target the TISS campuses such as the Mumbai, Tulja, Hyderabad, Guwah and Chennai for all the masters program, and for BA programs that is Tulja and Guwah. So link I already mentioned in the description guys, just click on that link and subscribe the channel because there will be more videos to come on TISSBAT. And now guys, you already asked me about the TISSBAT video on the essay, so we'll make another video on that also. Same wise, if you have any doubts and queries, ask me in the comment section and also tell me which type of video you wanna, on which particular topic, on which particular course, any of the campus, fee structure, placement. So I will make the video as per your recommendations. So guys, to get the best coaching for Tissnet and TISSBAT, call our board line number 8828581455. Now let's come to our main point, the crash course preparation for TISSBAT 2021. So first of all guys, I'm really happy that you are choosing the TISS because after cracking the TISSBAT, the course you will get are out of the world. Because guys, if you wanna make your career immense, then you should think differently or you should think the out of box. So all the best for your career path guys. This courseware seriously will enhance your preparation and will definitely take you to the TISS campus. So the courseware, what you will get all the basic concepts, all the fundamental concepts. You will receive the ebooks also. You will get access of mock test series, both with respect to the topic test and the full length mock test. The topic test with respect to each particular sections. And there will be 5000 approx questions into the practice. So you will have lot of data for the practice purpose. You will get the mentorship by the exam experts and the toppers. You will learn the strategies from the toppers and you will also familiar with their success path. All syllabus will be taught. You will learn to the new shortcut tricks and overall approach learning which will lead to the cognitive effect throughout the preparations. So major focus will be on the mathematics parts, all the shortcut tricks, the new techniques, the English proficiency, reading comprehension part, the puzzle and arrangement of a logical reasoning part, and most concerned over the general awareness part because the TISS is more concerned about the current scenarios. So guys, you have to do lot of work on the general awareness part. So don't worry guys, in our video lectures you will get overall general awareness concept cleared. Approx 80 hours plus classes and doubt session will be there. All your doubts will be cleared in the live classes. For all students, the WhatsApp group will be made, so you can share all your doubts there and you can also post all your doubts on the same. So after result, you will also get the preparation for the personal interview if you are choosing the social work program which is in Tulja campus. Now these all are the steps which will definitely boost your preparations. Now after this, in the live program, you will learn how to plan all these. You will get the proper strategies and you can prepare proper roadmap for your preparation and which enters into the TISS. So guys, to enroll, call or WhatsApp on 8828581455. So these all are the steps. Now what should be the strategies? So Manoeuvre strategy works with these all tools. So these are the preparation tools, the step 1, 2, 3 and 4. So very first one, if you are joining our live lectures, okay, then you will get access for the pre-recorded videos, the PDF files and the mock test. So if you have started your preparation, then guys, evaluate yourself by giving 1 or 2 mock tests. So very first one, आपको pre-recorded videos में से videos देख लेनी है which is available on our dashboard. Then you have to attend the live class. Okay guys, so live class में आपके सारे doubts clear हो जाएंगे. In video lectures, here you will get all the basic concepts. You will learn to the new shortcut tricks. Here you will get the mentorship, guidance and thoroughly the cognitive effect. After classroom lectures, आपको practice करना है. So you will receive the ebooks and the handouts for the practice purpose. So वहाँ से आपको practice कर लेना है. Because with respect to the entrance exam, the most considerable parameter that is nothing but the practice. You have to practice, practice and practice because guys the practice makes perfect. So आपको काफी practice करनी है. Then You will also get the access for the topic test with respect to each particular section. So आपको mathematics related topic test होंगे, English, general knowledge also, and with respect to the logical reasoning part. Thereafter, you have to give the mock test where you can analyze yourself at which particular stage you are, and same wise you can again start your revision on that. So guys, this is about the stuffs for the TISSBAT and also the preparation tools. Now, how you can enter into the Tuljapur and Guwahati after cracking the TISSBAT exam. And guys, lot of students ask me a question, is this TISSBAT really worth it either in Tuljapur or Guwahati? Then guys, 100% yes, because the courses in TISS are very unique one. And if you talk about the regular courses after 12th, there you can get the saturations, or even in the business sectors you are going. But guys, once you will graduate from the TISS, then you will never get the saturation there. So there is great opportunity and immense career. Now, if you want a detailed information about the Tuljapur and Guwahati, their courses, their seat availability, and the career scope and placement, then I already made a video on the YouTube. Okay, so you can watch that video too. So as I already said, all the courses in TISS are out of box courses, which will gives you the great opportunity ahead. So guys, target the TISS because it has the diversity in the courses. Various courses are there and there is no saturation at all. The best school tag. Once you will graduate from the TISS, you will get the best school tag. So even if you tried the off campus, then you will definitely get the placement. The TISS gives you the best return on the investment. The none of school in India gives you the return on the investment as of the TISS. And in TISS, you will get the 100% placement. So guys, kickstart your preparation from now onwards. Don't worry about the dates and form filling. We'll make a separate video on that also. So join Manoeuvre online program. You will get access for the books, mock test, sectional and full course. You can interact live with us. So call on 8228581455 or you can visit to the manoeuvreedu.com/BBA entrance. This link also mentioned in the description guys, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, okay, to get the regular updates with respect to the TISSBAT. So this is all from the today's video guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.